What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You can see here I'm trying to get rid of some rasp on my A6 because if you have test pipes on your car, you're gonna get a lot of rasp. And a lot of people use the it's one of the MagnaFlow mufflers. I forget the number, but in those I think we're working for people. But the problem with those is that they're just perforated inside and they have some packing material on the inside and it ends up blowing out. And this muffler doesn't have any packing. It has like baffling and louvers inside, so it will not blow out. So I heard a lot about this muffler, so I thought instead of going the MagnaFlow way, I'll try this one. There was somebody on Facebook not too long ago that installed one of these, and he said he didn't get any difference, but we're thinking it's because they installed it wrong, because this is a directional muffler, so there's an inlet and an outlet. And I was asking him if there was a stamp on it or anything, because usually directional mufflers are going to come with a sticker on it that says inlet and outlet. This one doesn't say outlet, but it does say inlet on this side, so that means this is going to be pointing towards the front of the car. And another way to tell if that guy's watching, he could probably get on the car and check his, if they installed it with this side facing down, is the G will be facing towards the front of the car with the N facing towards the rear of the car. If they stamp all these the same, I'm thinking they would, because it's probably an assembly line or something. So but another easy way to tell is if you get one of these and it doesn't have the sticker, you can see the louvers inside. So the holes with the louvers, the holes of the louvers are going to be open on this side. Whereas, let me show you the other side. And you can see the other side, they're closed because they're facing towards the front. And they're open on the other side because they're catching all of those sound waves and taking them into the interior of the muffler body where all the baffling and all that is at, to cancel out some of the sound. But hopefully yours will come with the inlet and outlet. So if you guys get one, just pay attention to that and make sure it gets installed correctly. But let's get out here and I'll let you sound how bad the rasp is. All right, y'all, I'm in the car. Let y'all hear how bad it is. And that's what the 3-4 Motorsport crackle tune. You can hear how loud they don't even have to get out and get behind the car, man. But let you hear how it sounds from in the car driving. Yeah, of course it's quieter from in the car, but outside is loud. And I'm running test pipes with the IE down pipes, mid pipes or whatever. Oh, kids want me to get their ball. Give me 1 second, y'all. Get them their ball. There y'all go. All right. It won't burn out, but I can take off for you. Stay in school, kids. He asked me to do a burnout. But yeah, I have I forget which test pipes I have, but they're real high quality pipe. I bought them used from somebody, but they're the ones that they're just a solid weld from flange to flange, so they don't have like a mid weld. And I heard that some people's cracks with that have a mid weld, these don't. But I have the IE down pipes, mid pipes, whatever you want to call them, and I have the Euroco tuning X pipe and stock rear mufflers. And I have later I installed the vibrant resonators, not the ultra quiets, just some regular vibrant middle resonators. And they took some of the rasp out at a lower RPM, so it made it a little bit more livable. But lately I think some of the packing inside is starting to blow out, because I noticed that it seems like it's starting to get a little louder. So it's been about, what, 6 months or so since I had those installed, I think, something like that. I don't know. And I think that a crackle tune blows out mufflers like that even faster. So, but anyway, let's get over to the shop. I'm gonna get these installed, and I'll let you guys hear how it sounds afterwards. All right, you guys, the first shop I went to could not install this, man, so I had to come to another shop because the X pipe is closer than these, and you can see how much these are spaced out. So the shop I usually go to, which is a lot cheaper, couldn't do this, so I had to come to like a top-notch shop that does custom. They actually do fabricating, and you can see he did a real good job on this. So he had to take the other pipes out, put this in. Looks good. And he gave me a little discount because he said he had to take this down like 2 or 3 times, and I wanted the Gibson part facing down, but it's facing up now. But you can see the sticker right there, so it's facing the right way. So no big deal there. But pulling it in on the rack, it has kind of a, I heard like of a little deep throaty sound, so it sounds different instead of the tinny sound that I was getting. And he actually said I had an exhaust leak back here because the clamps weren't clamping enough. So got a positive reviews from me, so it sounds, but we're gonna see if it takes all the rasp out now. All right, I'm about to take it down and get it out here, y'all. Y'all hit up RTB exhaust. Then he's got a Hellcat here, 986 horses to the wheels. So he do a lot of custom stuff here. Y'all hit him up. All right, y'all. I don't know if you can hear that, but it has more of a deep throaty sound now. Yeah, so it looks like it took care of the rasp. I can hear that already. Oh yeah, this Gibson is a rasp killer, y'all. Oh yeah, I like it a lot better. I still have, well, I can't say still, I got like a noise inside of the car now that I might want to get rid of. A little bit of a drone, I guess you would call it. And the resonators, originally, I think they took that out. So I still got, matter of fact, I still got the 2 stock resonators, but they're so small, I don't know if they would do anything. But this isn't bad or anything like that. It makes the car sound more throaty and everything now. But it's not like bad drone or anything like that. But I'm gonna pull over when I get to the house and we'll rev it again at idle. Well, with the car not moving, I'll have the door open so you guys can compare it to how it was, in the beginning, in the same scenario. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. All right, you guys, I'm stitching this in actually after I just ended the video. So I'm stitching this in before then, so it's gonna probably look a little awkward, but I want to see how it sounds like going under this little short tunnel. One thing I did notice is after driving it around more, it's starting to get quieter, like idle and stuff. So maybe the valves are adjusting and everything. So that's one thing I'm noticing already. I'm gonna wait till I get up under and then get on it. Not too bad. I'll turn around and do another one. And I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera, but that is a huge improvement from all the Rasp that I was getting before. So liking it so far. All right, you guys, I'm here back at the house in the same spot. Open the door like before. Give it some gas, I'm gonna rev it. And that's what the 3-4 Motorsport crackle tune. Yeah, so it still gets loud when you get on it, but that's like in the higher RPMs. But the thing is, the Rasp is gone. That's what I wanted. So and remember, I'm on the stock rear mufflers, but non-resonated downpipes, and then I have the non-resonated X pipe in the rear, so I could still add like you know, add the mid muffler back if I wanted to, or another mid muffler or something, or some different rear mufflers also that might do something too. So but I'm gonna ride with this for a minute, see how it sounds, and then go from there. But like it so far. Finally got rid of that Rasp. You guys hit up RTB Exhaust in Gardena if you're in Cali. They do some real good custom work. And I will see you guys in the next video. I got some other stuff coming up, just waiting on for some parts to show up. I haven't really been doing videos on this car because I'm working on my I went stage 3 on my TT. So I've been working on having some issues with doing the tune on that. So I'm still trying to work that out. So that's why I've been on that. So I still got some work coming up for this, and got something real nice coming up. Few nice things coming up for this one. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.